Okay, you are students. Your
Your
students.
student.
Your
Your
students.
students.
You are students.
Your
Are
students. Your
students.
students.
Great. It's great. Do you understand now where I am?
I am.
He,
I.
she is, it
It is.
is,
It
we
is.
are, you are
You
there.
are there.
He,
It
she is,
is.
it,
It's.
where,
Where. Your.
you're there.
Dear.
Quand
Dear.
nous essayons de mettre partie ça pour moi, si la baille bien. Okay, let me see. Students. On nous t'a dit tout ensemble, ouais. T'as dit seulement.
Your students. Your students. They re students.
Ah, les idées, oui.
We will.
En moi, ça.
There.
Students.
Ok, il va dire bien qu'on y a. Ok.
Your students. Your students. Their students.
Dear students.
Dear
Okay, you
students.
see qu'on a on mette we are là. We are students. We're students. Et puis tout, on a mis ça. You, oh no. They are students. Pour qu'à faire différence entre yo tout, ok?
Okay.
Let's listen.
We are students.
Ouais,
We
we are
are
students.
students.
T'as dit l'autre là.
Students.
We are students.
Students.
Okay, again.
Students.
We are students.
Students.
Did you listen? Ou t'as dit le bien?
Oui, oui.
You are students.
You are
We are
students.
students.
You're
We
students.
are students.
They are
We are
students.
students.
They are
We are
students.
students.
Yeah. Gen pile
Yes.
fois moun prononce mot ça ra, yo di we're. Say we're students. For
We are
example,
students.
I am a student. Student. I'm a student. Okay. Maybe he is. Okay, maybe you don't. Maybe you're tout net.
Okay.
You are.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Student.
Okay. Yes. Student. She is okay. She is student. She is a student. It is a book. It's a book. Okay, no mete tudo.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's listen to, okay?
I'm a student. I'm a student. You are a student. You're a student. He is a student. He's a student. He's a student. It is a book. The book. We are students. We're students. You are students. You're students. They are students. They're students.
Wait. Okay, now it's your turn. It's your turn. Let's go.
Yes. I'm a student. I'm a student.
Okay, let's listen again. You are going to pay attention to those two phrases, okay? Those two phrases. You are going to pay more attention to those two sentences, okay? It's okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's listen.
I am a student.
Okay.
I'm a student. You are a student. You're a student. He is a student. He's a student. He is a student. She's a student. It is a book. It's a book. We are students. We're students. You are students. You're students. They are students. They're students.
Okay, can you just read now? Can you please read for me?
I am a student.
Okay, I am
I am
I am a
a student.
student. I am a student.
I'm a student. I'm a student. I'm a student.
Uh-huh.
You are a student. You're a student. He is a student. He's a student. She is a student. She's a student. It's a book. It's a book.
It
We
it
are
is
it,
it is it is a book.
it is a book. It's
A book.
a book. We are students.
We are
You,
students.
you, we are students. We're students.
No, we are students. You
We
can
are
say we.
students.
You can't
Well,
say we are students. We are
we
students.
are students. You are student. You're student.
Students.
Students. They are
We are
students.
students.
They are students. They are students.
Let's go. Okay, now let us translate. On traduit. Qui ça I'm a student voulait dire?
Je suis un étudiant ou une
Ok.
étudiante.
Et l'autre là, I'm a student.
La même, je suis une étudiante.
Ok. You are a student?
Student, c'est singulier là.
Oh,
vraiment.
on fait leur même genre. On va lire anglais et pour traduire pour moi. Mais
Ah,
entendez,
bon, ok.
entendez nous dernière fois. On allait.